Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you embed HTML code into your ThriveCart product page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to embed HTML code into your ThriveCart product page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, there's a lot of different software that you can embed code to track analytics or to install various forms. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to embed HTML code into one of your product pages, it's going to be handled on the product level. So what you're going to do is click here on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you'll see all the products you're currently offering. So go ahead and choose the product that you want to add HTML code to. So for example, this one right here, and click on edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options here. And in order to embed HTML code into your ThriveCart product, you're going to click here, checkout. Now, before you go any further, I'm going to let you know there's a few different ways you can do this. I'm going to go over two different ways. So the first and easiest way, if you're going to be embedding HTML code for tracking purposes, you want to handle that here before you go into the editor. So click here on tracking. So if you're going to be using something like your Facebook or Metapixel, you're going to add that here by checking the box, and you can just add it right in there. Same thing with Google right here. But if you need to add custom code, you're going to scroll down and then click here. And here you can go ahead and add in your HTML embed code. So if you add it here, it's going to be added to all pages that have to do with that particular product. If you only want to add it to the checkout page, so if you're tracking for conversions, you're going to add that right here. So this is going to be for tracking. Now, if you're trying to embed HTML code for other purposes, like maybe creating a form, that's going to be handled in the editor. So instead of tracking, click on design. Once you click on design, click on launch editor. All right, then it's going to open up the ThriveCart product editor. So make sure you choose the page that you want to add the HTML code to. So I'll go ahead and choose my cart page. And what we're going to do next is here on the left, click on elements. Once you click on elements, click on HTML and just grab it and drag it on over to where you want to drop the HTML code. So for example, right here. Okay. And once you have the HTML code block here, go ahead and click on it. It should have this kind of dotted turquoise line around it. Once you click on that section, it's going to open up this box right here. And this is where you can paste in your HTML embed code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to embed HTML code into your ThriveCart product, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.